Hello my friends, welcome to another video on the cringiest channel on YouTube. I will not be using my voice because I don't want to reveal it yet. Anyways, I will be showing you how I edit my videos. I will be making a small Gachaverse GIF. Let's get started. First, I open up KineMaster. Is that how you say it? Well, I'll just pronounce it like that. Anyways, I open up the app and choose a background to start with. Usually, I use a background from Gachaverse. Then, I extend it to how long I think the video will be. Once that's done, I open Gachaverse. I head over to SkitMaker. I choose a green screen, then a character. I copy and paste the frames. Then I select what animated position I want my character to be in. I change each position when I want to show a different scene. I record myself playing through the skit. Depending on the type of skit, I will record myself doing multiple scenes, trying my best to sync with it.